Hi there, I got the Mexicrate subscription box for March today in the mail. Super excited to see what they have to offer today. Alright, they have a little card here, and it looks like no piñatas were hurt in the making of this Mexicrate. I'll put a link to Mexicrate below for you guys if you're interested in checking it out. This is the small box, which I found to be very reasonable, and this can be purchased through Amazon, which I love that feature. Alright, so here is what it looks like. It's got black tissue paper. Let's lift that up. Alright, let's go in for the thumbnail picture before we dive in to see what goodies there are. There we go. Alright, let's see what we have here. Alright, it looks like they sent 2 packets of this Indie Hornors. I'm not sure, but they look like kind of like a jelly bean. Right here. I'm guessing they're spicy. I don't know. We're gonna find out. Not right now, but I'm gonna find out if they're spicy. Now I'll be reviewing a few of these things on my review channel, which will be linked below. I also got a couple of these Mr. Wafers. I bet these are a sweet, tasty treat that are probably not hot. If I had to guess, of course. Ooh, 2 more Mr. Wafers. So they gave me 4 of those. That's nice. Okay, they have this, I don't even know, Bichos de Bichos Familia Chepeto. It's a couple packages of some kind of seasoning. I'm going to have to look this up to find out exactly what it is. And it looks like there's a few more too. There is one that is yellow right here, and then there's one that is green. So maybe it's like a fruit punch type of drink where you add it to water, or I don't know, but I'll have to look these up and see what they're all about. They could be really amazing. You never know. Oh, I came across another Mr. Wafer, so that makes 5 Mr. Wafers. Here is a couple of La Quinta. It looks like it is a caramel lollipop right here. Pretty good size too. These are probably going to be pretty good. We also have a couple of these, let's see, Semaforo. This is from the Vero company, I guess, and it's Semaforo, and it's some type of lollipop treat. Not sure if it's spicy or sour or sweet. We're gonna find out, because like I said, a lot of these items I will be doing reviews on. Okay, we have 2 of these Bocadon made with chocolate. I'm guessing it's like a wafer type of cookie, crisp candy bar maybe. We'll see. Hopefully it's something dipped in chocolate. That'd be really nice. We got a couple of these Pulparindo Mango right here. Now I've had things that have this Pulparindo in it. I'm not a huge fan of that flavor, but maybe with the mango, maybe it'll be something I'll enjoy. We got a couple of the Dalvalian El Sobor. And it's little treats that have, here, let me turn the one around. It's like a gel pudding kind of thing typically, and you can just spoon it out. Usually these are pretty tasty and extremely, extremely sweet. Okay, we have a crayon, some type of a candy. I'm guessing grape flavored because it is purple. And yeah, it's probably some type of a gel candy that you twist and it comes out. Usually those that I've come across so far are really sour. So you gotta be prepared for that. Oh, another one of the Bocadin right here. So they sent 3 of those. Nice. Some of these Pilon Panettis. It's some type of little treat. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but I'm guessing they're going to be kind of chewy and maybe a little tart. Let's see. And then 2 of these packagings are cute. These are Jugos Sabo. It looks like they have one that is going to be like a orange flavor and the other one's going to be a lime flavor. And I suspect that these are gum, is my suspicion. So yeah, I am very happy with all the variety and selections they sent. They sent some milk chocolate stuff. They sent some hard candy stuff. They sent some stuff on sticks like lollipops and such. They sent some things that I have no idea what they are that I'll have to research, so that'll be fun to find out what that's all going to be about. Yeah, I think they did quite well with this month's box, and I would recommend this box to others, especially if you like things, little snacks and candies that have a bit of spice to them or a bit of sour to them. Their box certainly shows an ample amount of those types of treats, which could be very delightful for someone who really likes that flavor, those flavor profiles. Like I said, I put a link below. If you have ever tried this subscription box, let me know what you thought of it in the comment section below. Let me know if this was a subscription box where anything that you saw here today was something that you recognize or have tried. If you have, let me know what that was and what your experience with it was. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.